Alright, meteorologist Dean Davison, the Weather Pros, liveweatherblogs.com. We're going to talk about the potential of snowfall this weekend. We're going to take a look at what different types here and amounts possible here on the NAM and the GFS. And then we're going to move on to the Sunday system, Saturday and Sunday system for this here in the Roanoke Valley. So we move along day on Thursday. You see not much going on. A little piece of energy is moving across. And this is what potentially will give us the snowfall here in New Jersey. As you see, there's some pretty good snowfall going on here. 15Z on Friday. So we got to watch this. Northern Jersey, Southern Jersey, right across. There is a potential for snow there. We then watch the next system. And this system comes marching in. And the NAM is actually getting in line with the GFS a little bit better. As we get snow overcoming Roanoke and Lynchburg. And as this moves to the east and northeast. So, once again, Virginia may be into play for Sunday, Saturday night and Sunday, for a couple inches of snow. So, when we take a look at the accumulating snowfall for the NAM, we're going to blow this across for Friday. We're looking at 2.5 inches on the NAM for Philly, 2.3 for northern Jersey, 3.4 for the Poconos and further west, and we move into a potential system for coming up for the weekend. And this is not all the way done, but you can see the 1.4 and 2 inch range snows in Roanoke, and probably will be a little higher because that the NAM's not all the way completed and finished. So now we're going to go over to the GFS. So with the GFS, we move this along, and you see rain turns to snow in the Philadelphia metro and areas such as New Jersey and parts of Delaware. And then the GFS come along with the NAM with heavier precipitation in southwest Virginia with the 528 line right around Roanoke Saturday night into Sunday, and then that moves off the coast. And we actually may have a secondary storm for Tuesday. This is actually starting to look good. This would be a Roanoke all the way to New York City type of storm. A I-81, I-95 Express, and this may be lengthy into a day or two. So we need to watch all of this over the next couple of days. But we're really keeping an eye currently on what we will see Friday and then Sunday, and then we'll worry about the other system as we get along. So the GFS is a little less on the snow, 1/2 inch to 1 inch in Jersey, and then we're looking around 1 inch to 1.5 inches for Roanoke. And then when if we get this other snow, we'll be looking at another couple inches of snow. Like I said, what we're looking at now is 1/2 inch to 1 inch of snow, 1 inch to 2 down in Roanoke. So these are systems we have to watch, and we will continue to watch as we get closer. But it does look like we're going to have some snow on Saturday night here in Roanoke, which could be good for some snow hitting the roads, so plow drivers may get some work. Other than that, nothing else down the tubes until Tuesday, and we'll talk about that later. Meteorologist Dean Davison, thanks for watching. Have a great evening.